What's all this commotion about?
We're actually coming up with a branding strategy for Soba.
Does NMIMS School of Planning and Advertising really needs branding?
I mean, excuse me, why did you join NMIMS? So, if a college with such high brand value has its own specialized branding and advertising course, just imagine what it would be like. Why don't we give you guys a tour? Let's show you what it's really like. So, what are you working on?
I'm working on a live project for a skincare brand that was assigned to me by the SOBA professors. It's part of our ICA, basically the midterm exams. So I basically have to create a brand story for them and Instagram creatives and how the brand can be marketed further to the youth.
How long did it take for you to make this entire strategy?
I think it was basically a group project, so 2-3 days it took us to come up with a brand story, make creatives, come up with ideas, get it approved by teachers. It's also a task, so yes.
I think you got a good exposure working with your team.
Yes, and we had the industry expert also coming in and telling us the brief and what he wanted for his brand.
That's super cool. We won't disturb you anymore.
we take
Good luck on your project, and we'll go to the next class.
Come, let's talk to our filmmaking professor.
Hi, Rishabh sir.
Hello.
How is ad making so important for branding and advertising students?
How is filmmaking?
So, how ad filmmaking is related to branding and advertising? So, first of all, what is the last stage of marketing or last stage of selling anything? That is, you sell through ad films. Right. So, there you understand this question. You understood this question ki you sell everything through ad films only, mainly through ad films. So, if you talk about ad films, how important it is, like you should understand the entire pre-production or production or post-production plan. So in NMIMS School of Branding and Advertising, we teach ad filmmaking from scratch. Like starting from ideation, you convert that idea into a story, then you convert that compelling story into like where you keep all the brand elements and then convert that story into a script. Then you design mood boards, storyboards. Then we come to production stage where you decide all the camera positioning, camera angles, camera shots, movements. You make a short list. So that is a part of pre-production plan only. Here you also in production you learn about exposure triangle, what should be the right aperture or what should be the right ISO or what should be the right shutter speed for each and every shots. And then we also teach post-production, that is editing. So relevant cuts for each and every film, like or each and every scene in a film. Like you're moving from one scene to another, you apply transition. You're moving from one shot to another, you apply cuts. So cut, which is also a part of storytelling. And this subject, particularly this subject, enhances the creative quotient of a student. Like because what you're doing is you are like generating the idea, you're screening the idea, and from that idea, also editing the idea, like converting that into a story and then the overall narrative structure, the representation of a story. Now, what's new in this particular field? So as you know, AI is like growing rapidly, and you might have seen like films like a micro people building something. So generative AI is the future of branding and advertising as well as future of filmmaking. You might have seen videos, AI generated videos, like Ghibli is the trending feature these days. You can convert an image into an animated image. There will be AI tools. You can just put keywords and edit any video through Adobe Premiere Pro. Same goes with any other software also. So like upgrade yourself with AI, and that's the future of branding and advertising.
Thank you so much for your insights.
Okay, so SOBA is not only about academics, but we also have clubs and committees. Let's take you through the president of cultural committee. That's our cultural president.
Isn't it? Huh.
How do you feel being the president of the cultural committee, leading the cultural committee? Tell us about it.
All right. So as she mentioned, I'm the president of the cultural committee. It's the largest committee of SOBA. It consists of 5 clubs. It consists of the dance club, the drama club, the sports club, the fashion club, and the music club. Now, how this helps in branding and advertising is that you get to learn how to network with people, how to manage a team, how to work with different types of people, because you get to work with lots of creative people and they have like a completely different outlook when it comes to their creative process. So you need to know how to manage a large team if you are organizing fests, intercollegiate events or intracollegiate events. Then you need to know how to organize them, if there are any logistics that need to be taken care of, if there is something, if there are last minute problems which have occurred, then you need to know how to tackle all of those things. And all in all, it's just something which helps you to build your personality and confidence in general, which is something every marketer should have. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
We hope that
We hope.
you enjoyed our tour
Yes.
of SOBA. And now that you have all the insider information about the school, when are you joining us?